Dual 36W fast charger. The mobile phone USB power plug with dual quick charge 3.0 USB ports can charge two quick charge devices at the same time. Each QC port of the quick charger offers a charging power of up to 18W, which allows you to fully charge 2x Samsung S10 in just 100 minutes. Universal compatibility. This USB phone charger compatible with Samsung S20, S10, S9, S8, S8 Plus, Note 8, A10s, A21s, A51, Google Pixel phone, iPhone, iPad, Huawei P30, P20 Lite, Mate 10, P10, Mate 9, Nexus 5X 6P, Moto G7, G6, Nokia 7.1, Oneplus 7, GoPro, Nintendo Switch, powerbank, PS4 controller, Bluetooth speaker, etc. Intelligent USB charger. Support QC charging, also AFC, FCP, and BC 1.2. Also support standard charging for non-quick charging devices such as iPhone, iPad, tablet, powerbank for optimal charging. Safe and durable. The USB power supply is made of fire-retardant material and the built-in safety system protects your device and the charger itself from overload, overheating, short circuit, etc. It meets safety standards, which guarantees maximum safety for charging. Portable sized. This small-size travel adapter is easy to fit into your bag and easy to carry along, very suitable for traveling. Top reviews from the United States. Quality. Having two quick charge 18W USB ports for charging is great. The compact nature of the device and the added benefit of having another quick charge port for such a $15 value is fantastic. When considering each port is worth $7.50, the UGREEN charger is best bang for the value compared to other brands.